Hello and welcome back to Next Step Immigration. Hope you're doing great today. Are you aware that you can enter Sweden to look for work with a visa known as the Swedish Job Seeker Visa? We'll cover every aspect of the Swedish Job Seeker Visa in this video, including its term, prerequisites, acceptance of family applications, and how to apply. This visa allows you to enter Sweden to hunt for work or perhaps to launch your own business. How long is the validity of this visa? This visa must be held for at least 3 months, and you have a maximum of 9 months to obtain employment or launch a business. Teachers, nurses, physicians, software developers, carpenters, electricians, engineers, and mechanics are just a few of the professions that are in severe demand. For at least another 5 years, there will be a need for these occupations. Your family cannot relocate to Sweden to live with you while you have this residence visa and are looking for work. They can join you in Sweden once you find work and obtain a work visa from Sweden. What documents do you need? The sections of your passport that include information about you personally, such as your name and address, photo, signature, passport number, issuing nation, validity term, and entrance stamps, must first be digitally copied. You must have digital copies of your insurance paperwork proving that you have all-inclusive coverage that is valid for any type of therapy or medical care received in Sweden. To demonstrate your education, you'll also require digital copies of your exam certificates. You require digital copies of the official transcripts of your academic records, which list the courses you've taken, as proof of your education. You will require a digital copy of a signed letter of authorization, authorizing the Swedish Council for Higher Education to make contact with institutions of higher learning in your native country, in order to verify your academic credentials. This letter of approval is available for download from the official immigration website. Your examination certificate and official transcripts must be translated into Swedish or English if they are shown in a language other than those two. An authorized translator must complete this translation. During your application, you must submit copies of your original papers and their translations. Also, you will want copies of your bank statements or other records demonstrating that you have the money necessary to maintain yourself until you find employment in Sweden. You'll require 13,000 Swedish krona each month in funding. If you're applying for 3 months, this is around 39,000 Swedish krona. You must have at least 117,000 Swedish krona, or the equivalent conversion, in your bank accounts if you're applying for a maximum of 9 months. If you are unable to secure a job offer within the period for which your job seeker visa is valid, you must also have adequate money for travel. What are the requirements? You must have successfully finished studies leading to an advanced level degree from anywhere in the world, not only from Europe, before you go to Sweden in order to start a business or hunt for jobs. A letter of permission for the Swedish Council for Higher Education to contact institutions of higher learning in your native country to confirm your academic credentials must also be enclosed. If you're searching for work, you must provide evidence of your networking efforts, and if you're starting a business in Sweden, you must show evidence of your business ideas and supporting documentation. You must have the money to maintain yourself while your application is being processed, which works out to about 13,000 Swedish krona per month. You should renew your passport if it is about to expire, since you cannot obtain a permit for a length of time longer than the validity of your passport. Finally, you must be applying from a country other than Sweden. How do you apply? You may either download the form, fill it out, and mail it with your supporting papers to the Swedish Embassy in your region, or you can submit your application online using the official website. Around 1 to 3 months after you submit your application for a residence permit, the Swedish immigration officer decides whether to approve it. Upon approval of your application, you will be given a resident permit, which allows you entry into Sweden and contains, among other things, your fingerprints and a picture of yourself. You are allowed to enter Sweden with your resident permit and start looking for a job. If you get a job offer, a work permit will be given to you, allowing you to work there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.